Hey there, welcome to Amanda's Natural Living. I'm Amanda. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to make an awesome nice cream. An ice cream without dairy, without added sugar. It is awesome. It is carrying on from a recipe that I posted a little while ago. The salted caramel coconut sauce is included in this nice cream. It is the base of this nice cream. So please go back and watch that video on salted caramel coconut sauce to see how that one's made, and then you can incorporate it into this nice cream. For this recipe, it requires a 1/4 cup of the salted caramel coconut sauce. This has been in the fridge, so it has stiffened up, which I really like the texture of. About 1.5 frozen bananas, 1/3 cup to 1/2 cup of frozen avocado. You can use fresh avocado as well if you prefer, no problem. I like it because it makes it creamier. And then I have 1/2 cup of nut milk. Today I chose soy milk. All you need to do is mix these 4 ingredients and you have nice cream. I put in the fridge for 20 minutes after I mix it once, and then I take it out, put it back in the blender, mix it one more time, and then I eat it or put it back in the freezer for later for dessert. Bananas first. Avocado. And a 1/4 cup of your salted caramel coconut sauce. Half a cup of your nut milk, spilling it all over the counter. Put on the lid and time to mix. Maybe stir it up. Mix until well blended. If you're having trouble mixing it all, feel free to add a little bit more milk to your mixture. Into the freezer, as I said, for 20 minutes. Set your timer, so I know I always forget. But I love this step because it just makes it even creamier and even more like ice cream when you mix it that last time. All right, it has been 20 minutes. This is ready to mix one more time in the blender. Put it back in your smoothie cup. Let's reuse your blender cup from before. All right, and I'm actually going to put it in a couple of little cups, put some lids on them, put them in the freezer for later. Perfect. Feel free to double this recipe if you have a bigger family than I do. And put these in the freezer for later. I just love this salted caramel coconut sauce. It is my favorite. This is the second recipe. The first recipe was the popcorn balls. Now this salted caramel coconut nice cream with just bananas, avocado, and this salted caramel sauce. I love it. I love that there's no added sugar, and I love that it's naturally sweetened and no dairy as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. It would mean so much. And I hope you have an amazing day. Put a dollop of ice cream in, about a dollop of salted caramel. Might need to scoop it off with your finger. In there, the center, and then the rest with the ice cream. So this one was already made in the freezer. Oh, the caramel is right there. I love these ice pops. So, just another idea for you. I hope you enjoyed.